warm up the stage for you. We doing all right, New York? I have to admit, I don't want to sound like a complete newbie in tours. This is my first time out this way. I gotta come back sometime. How about that? We're gonna do this next one. It was the title track to my very, very first original album, and it was kind of I don't know. It was supposed to make myself feel good, and I've been lucky enough that a lot of folks that have heard it now, it makes them feel good. It's all about self-love and things like that, because I was told way, way back when, before I was even playing guitar and things like that, I was just singing, and I was told I should just stick to that, and if you know, for like a hobby. And I know, right? It's wild. It's wild. But I'm lucky enough. I was either too young or too dumb or a little bit of both at the time. It kind of went over my head. I didn't think too much of it, and I'm certainly glad I did, because over a decade later, it's brought me to a lot of cool places, a handful of foreign countries, and it's brought me right here to New York City to play for you fine folks. A little something called Time to Shine. Time to shine, little darling. Don't let no one do you dim. Time to shine, little darling. Don't let no one do you dim. You can be your worst enemy, but you can be your very best friend. Sometimes you have to. Time to shine, little darling, yeah. Don't let no one do you down. Oh, shine, little darling. Don't let no one do you down. Time to shine, little darling. Don't let no one do you down. You can be your worst enemy. You can be your very best friend. Shine. One more time, give for these fellas in the band said, on drums, make some noise for Dave Aston, ladies and gentlemen. And share some love, make some noise for Jim Billmeyer on bass guitar, y'all. And last, hopefully not least, my name's Miss Ivy Ford. Did I do all right? Party's just getting started, and it's going to be a gay old time full of good vibes, great food, fantastic music, if I don't say so myself. But it is our time, and I know it's Saturday. It's not Sunday yet. But just because we ain't in church, don't mean we can't bring the church to us. So, with that, I'm gonna hopefully leave y'all with some even more feel goods. Like this. This is a light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.